Good day students, this is mathematics class for grade 10 chapter 6 triangles. In today's video session, based on the criteria of similarity of triangles, let us solve exercise 6.3 of page number 139 of your mathematics textbook. Problem number 1 is the homework problem, and now there's problem number 2 here. In figure 6.35, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, and angle BOC is equal to 125 degree. Angle BOC is 125 degree and angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. Find angle DOC. You have to find this angle DOC and then angle DCO and angle OAB. You have to find these three angles. Now, you know this symbol, it is a similar symbol. That is, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. What do you mean by similar triangles? It means all angles are equal and all the sides are proportional. So now this is, that is angle BOC is 125 degree. And now this is a straight line. So here this forms a linear pair. So we have angle BOC plus angle BOA equals to 180 degree. Angle BOC plus angle BOA equal to 180 degree. And the reason is linear pair of angles. And now what is angle BOC? It is 125 degree. And we need to find what is angle BOA equal to 180 degree. So angle BOA is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. So we get angle BOA. 180 degree minus 125 degree is 55 degree. So now angle BOA is 55 degree. Is this clear, students? So we found the angle BOA. Now if BOA is 55 degree, then angle COD is also 55 degree. Why? Because the reason is they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle BOA is equal to angle COD, which is equal to 55 degree. So vertically opposite angles. Now look at this triangle, that is triangle ODC. Here we have angle DOC 55 degree And how did we get this angle? Because of the vertically opposite angles. Now we need to find two more angles, that is this angle and this one. So in this triangle ODC, we have angle DOC 55 degree and then angle ODC as 70 degree. It's a given angle. And we don't know this angle, that is DCO. How can we find angle DCO? That is by using the angle sum property, we can find this angle. So now what is this angle sum property of the triangle ODC? So in triangle ODC, you have angle DOC plus angle ODC plus angle DCO equal to 180 degree. That is the angle sum property. Now what is angle DOC? Is 55 degree. Angle ODC is 70 degree. We need to find angle DCO equals to 180 degree. Now 55 degree plus 70 degree gives you 125 degree plus DCO equals to 180 degree. And so we have angle DCO is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree, and we get angle DCO is equal to 180 minus 125 is 55 degree. So we got angle DCO as 55 degree, that is using the angle sum property. So we found two angles, that is angle DOC and then angle DCO. And now we have to find this angle. Now here it is given that triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, which implies that angle ODC is equal to angle OBA. This is 70 degree. This is also 70 degree. The corresponding angles of the similar triangles are equal. That is angle ODC is equal to angle OBA, which is equal to 70 degree. Now, what about these angles? Angle DCO will be equal to angle OAB. Now, what is angle DCO? It is 55 degree. So, even this will be 55 degree. Angle DCO is equal to angle OAB equals to 55 degree. And what is the reason? That is, if triangles are similar, then their angles will be equal. Their corresponding angles will be equal. So now we got OAB as 55 degree. Is this clear, students? Thank you, students.